Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make beautiful woolen flower with simple technique and few items. So just sit back and watch. To begin with, get any color wool of your choice and a stick of cotton bud. Please cut about 40 inches from the wool. Now wrap the wool around the cotton bud, right, then left. Please continue in that process until you get about 30 lines. Then tie to secure it. Now attach needle at the section of the wool and pass the needle and the wool inside the spindle of the cotton bud. Then sew it once again to secure. Now make the pieces 8 and join them together to make stunning woolen flower. You can now add bead at the middle to make the flower more beautiful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.